This one is meant to lay on top of your coffee just like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we're gonna do a little mini review on the Reddi Wip Reddi Wip Sweet Foam. I almost didn't do this video because it seems like it's out of stock everywhere and then everyone's just kind of guessing that it might be discontinued, but I don't think it is. I think what happened is that everybody found out about it and then just pretty much bought everything out. So I feel like it's gonna come back. If it was discontinued, I think Reddi Wip will take it out of their website, but they're still advertising it on their website. But I'm gonna review it either way because ever since I saw it, I've been wanting to try it. Here is the product right here. The bottle is black. If you guys are familiar with Reddi Wip, their original can is red, which I have it right here. The ingredients in their main can are cream, water, sugar, and then the first ingredients for this one are non-fat milk, sugar, cream. So they're fairly the same, but this one has sugar. This one, it says it includes less than 1 gram of added sugar, whereas this one has 6 grams of added sugar. Since it is a sweet foam, it's obviously gonna have sugar, and that's actually fine with me. I might just flavor my coffee a tiny bit with whatever syrup I'm gonna add to it and then have this, or you can just brew your coffee on its own and then let this be your main source of sugar. I am like a sucker for sugar. I know it's not the best thing, but I just like my coffee sweet and I like sweet stuff. So I don't mind the fact that it has 6 grams of sugar. They also have another one that's called nitro cream or nitro foam. Here's the thing, according to their website, this one is meant to top coffee off. You can still put your regular creamer, you can still flavor it with however you want, and this is more of like a topper. The nitro one, that one is made to act as a creamer. So if you're used to putting creamer, you would use your nitro one, and then this one would be your topper. Can be used along with the nitro creamer or other traditional coffee creamers. The sweet foam adds a finishing touch that delivers sweetness, but the foam settles on top of the beverage as opposed to dispersing throughout the drink like the nitro creamer or other types of creamers. So I'm really intrigued about the nitro creamer. I might try that one as well. But this one is meant to lay on top of your coffee just like that. So it's supposed to lay on top of your coffee. It's not supposed to disperse throughout the whole thing, which is nice. That's typically what your Starbucks sweet cream drinks are like. Usually you'll see like the foam on top and it stays there, and that's how you drink it. So that's why I picked that one up. If you guys want me to try the nitro one, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, or just let me know in the comment section, because it is something that I'm intrigued regardless to use as a creamer. But today we're gonna try this. I'm gonna brew with ice and then we're gonna put this on top and taste test it. I'm gonna use this cup right here. If you guys saw my cups video, which was the last upload, I talked about this cup. All right, so for today's recipe, I'm gonna use the Ethiopia Virtuopod. This is a Gran Lungo. What I'm gonna do though is, because I think that it's gonna be too much liquid for that cup with the ice, I'm gonna brew it in a separate cup and then I'm gonna pour it in and then kind of decide how much fits before I have to add the foam. All right, so I have my coffee brewed in this little container. Now I'm just gonna pour it over the ice. Put a little bit more. I think that's good. It was actually almost everything except the bottom is full of like that foam, the crema. So we'll leave that out. We need enough space for the Reddi Wip. All right, moment of truth. Oh my God, I could smell the sweetness. It smells so good. I hope it tastes just as good. So this is what it looks like. Look at that creamy goodness. You have the coffee, the crema, and then that nice sweet foam. All right, let's taste test it. Oh my God, guys. That is so good. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness. It's not too sweet. And I guess if you wanted sweeter, then you would just add more foam. Oh, it is so good. I give this an A+. This is so good. If you guys saw, I posted a video on how to do like your own like sweet foam at home. It's not that hard, it really isn't, but if I can just do what I just did right now, that is super easy and it's so good. This is dangerous, but it's really, really good. I think my husband would actually really love this. And you can tweak it, I think, with like putting pumpkin syrup, whatever flavor you like from like Starbucks. Because he likes the pumpkin sweet cold brew. Is that what it's called? The sweet cream cold brew, pumpkin sweet. So I would just add like, you know, your favorite syrup and then the foam. But I don't even need, like I wouldn't add any more sugar to this. This is perfect. And again, like I said, I do want to try the nitro because you know how you see how the foam stays on top, it doesn't like disperse. The nitro one, I don't have it, but the nitro one is set to like disperse into the coffee and act as a creamer, and then you can still top it off with the sweet foam can. This is so good. I'm gonna link this cup in the description box, but again, if you guys want to check out my cups video all about that, make sure to check it out. I'll link it up above so you guys can see that. Try this if you guys can. Check on Amazon Fresh because I got mine through Amazon Fresh, and I checked Target, they didn't have it. I know they have like through Walmart, they have the nitro one, but again, I don't think it's discontinued. I just think they're out of stock and they're maybe making more. So sit tight, but if you can, check Amazon Fresh. They might still have a few stocked in your area. And yeah, I think that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, before I go, this second video of the week is going to be a Nespresso pot haul. I went to the nearest boutique by me and I ended up buying some pots for my original line and for my Vertuo line. So I wanted to share with you guys. It's not a big haul whatsoever, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got, and then I'm going to plan to do a quick little recipe in that video as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have tried this in the comment section. Did you guys like it? Did you not like it? Let me know. I would really like to know, because this is so delicious. And if you can't find it and still want something similar, I'm gonna link my video on how to do it at home. And yeah, I think that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.